Good morning, student. Today I will start again chapter 4, Heat and Temperature. As you know, heat is a form of energy. The molecule of a substance are in continual vibration, and this is called internal molecular energy, which is available to us in the form of heat, and sun is the primary source of heat energy on the earth. As heat is a form of energy, this produces the sensation of hotness. The hotness or coldness of an object depends on the flow of heat. When we touch an object, the heat flows from the object to our body when we touch the object and feels cold. Same as when heat flows from body to the object, it feels hot. Our senses of touch tells us that either the object is hot or cold. It cannot tell how hot or cold the object are. To compare the hotness or coldness of different objects, we need to know the temperature of the object. Now, what is the temperature? The measure of heat energy level in the body is called temperature. The hotter the object is, the higher is its temperature. Means when the substance is hotter and then higher is its temperature. Temperature is raised up. A container of boiling hot water has more heat comparison to tip of burning agarbatti. But the tip of burning agarbatti will have a much higher temperature but less the boiling of hot water. Now, heat can be defined as the energy transfer from one body to the another due to temperature difference between them. If heat flows out of the body, it cools the body, and while if heat flows into the body, then warms the body. Heat is measured the unit of joule. Heat is measured in the unit of joule. Measurement of temperature. What do we mean when we say it is hot or it is cold? The body temperature where it is lower than comparison of our body, then we can say it is cold. And the temperature is much lower comparison to our body, then we can say it is very cold. Like an ice cream. Ice cream can be called very cold. And when the temperature of the substance is higher comparison to our body, it is called we can call it is hot. Like a dish of soup as a hot if it needs some cooling to become drinkable. And when the term very hot is used, it is uncomfortable temperature. When the uncomfortable temperature, it is also called it is very hot. And when the warm indicate and the warmth indicate emotion of the being comfortable. Being comfortable means a blanket feels warm on a cold day, and we drink warm food, then we can say it is warm. So, the temperature of an object is measured to the thermometer. Means thermometer are used to measure the temperature of the object. All the thermometer contain a special material that has a unique property of expansion on heating and contraction on cooling. Temperature of a substance is measured which express its degree of hotness, such as degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit, are used to measure the degrees by the thermometer.